Okay, so for this problem, we're going to prove or verify that the tangent of 90 degrees minus x is equal to cotangent x. And I've got a couple of identities over here that we'll be referring to when we prove this. So the first thing is we want to remember that the tangent of any argument, a, the tangent of a is sine a over cosine a. So therefore, the tangent of pi over 2 minus x is equal to sine of pi over 2 minus x over the cosine of pi over 2 minus x. So all I did was use this formula right here. Okay, well now we need to use, this is the sine of a minus b, and the denominator is the cosine of a minus b. So now we're going to use this formula to simplify this, and this formula to simplify this. So the sine of a minus pi over 2 minus x is sine pi over 2 cosine x minus the cosine of pi over 2 times the sine of x. The cosine of pi over 2 minus x, pi over 2 minus x, cosine pi over 2 cosine x, plus the sine of pi over 2 times the sine of x. Okay, so now what is the sine and cosine of 90 degrees? Well, we need to remember the graphs of sine and cosine. Here's the graph of sine, and at 90 degrees, the value of sine is 1. Likewise, this is the graph of cosine, and cosine of 90 degrees, we can see the cosine of 90 degrees is 0. So the sine of 90 degrees is 1. So this value right here is 1. The cosine of 90 is 0. This goes to 0. The cosine of 90 again is 0. And the sine of 90 is 1. So we get 1 times cosine is cosine. 0 minus 0 times x, 0 times anything is 0. 0 times cosine is 0, and 1 times sine is sine, and this simplifies to cosine over sine. Cosine x over sine x. But cotangent is defined as cosine over sine. So cosine over sine is cotangent, and this is what we were trying to prove. So we took the left side and manipulated it until we got the right side. So that's the basic idea of proving an identity.